you're talking about this particular set where I2 with small c is I6 where you have used the same. Okay, so simple case, I can go with I6 with small I6 with capital C here. Since we have got this, so we can have C implies small c capital C dollar, and this is dot here. So this is going to be now I11. So right, if you look at this, previously it was a common set, but here it is different. So this has got a final set now, right? Now if you look at I11, now let us go further. Let's go further. With I6, what we can go for? I6 with so when we say I6 with dot small c, I6 with dot small c, right? Because I have to look for this. So it means that C implies small c dot capital C, C imply, sorry, small c capital C, small c capital C here dollar, comma, C implies, C implies, C implies dot small c capital C dollar, C implies dot D, and this is dollar, and this is again your I6 only. I6 with small c is I6. I6 with D is I6 with D is I6 with the D is here you can say I7. Okay, so which means C implies D dot dollar. So it is I7. Okay, next, which is so this is once it is repetitive sets, you don't have any more new sets from. Now you have to go for I9. I9 with I9 with dot capital C. It is nothing but uh, C implies small c capital C dot comma C by D, right? So you will say that this is going to be I12. Then I9 with dot small c is going to be I9 with dot small c. Yes, if you look at this production, so this becomes C implies small c dot capital C, C by D, C implies dot C capital C, C by D, right, comma, then C implies dot D, C by D. So this is going to be I9 again, right? And I9 with dot D is going to be I9 with dot D. I9 is this, and dot D is C implies D dot C by D. Okay, C implies D dot C by D. So which means C implies D dot C, right? C by D is going to be I4, right? So this is going to be I4, right? So now we don't have a new sets here. So once we have got this, right? Once we have got this, what we need to do now? Any more idea? Once we finish with this, we need to draw a diagram, right? So we have a transitions diagram here, right? So which will let you know like how they are being reduced. Okay. So you write it here I0 with the dot S, capital S, and what is the look ahead? Look ahead with the dollar. This is going to be I1. Okay. So next is I0 with dot capital C is giving me what? I2. I0 with dot small c is giving me I3. I0 with is giving me I4. Okay, so I3, I4. So we have got this. Then I0 we don't have anything. Okay, so I2 with I2 with dot capital C. I2 with dot capital C is giving me I5. I2 with small c dot small c is giving me I6. I2 with small d is giving me I2 with small d is giving me I7. Okay. Uh, See, this is capital C, this is small c, and this is small d. Now I3 with I3, if you look at I3 with dot capital C, will take me I3 with dot capital C will take me to I8. Okay, with small c, I3 with small c will take me to I9. With dot D will take me to I10. Fine. Then with I4 I cannot go. Okay, with I7 I cannot go. Okay, but with I6 I can go. So with I6, if I go with dot capital C, you will find that I'm going with I11, right? Then I6 with I6 with small c will take me to I6 itself. Okay, with small c, and with the small d, it will take me to I8, I7. Okay, so in the same case with I9, it will take me I9 with capital C. With capital C, it will take me to I12, which I cannot go further. Okay, then I9, it will, with the small c, it will take me to I9, and with small d, it will take me to I4. Okay, this is with dot d. Okay, so this is how the transition diagram is. Now, if you look at what dollar is being, like what look ahead is being followed. So here, look ahead is dollar. Here look ahead is dollar. Here look ahead is C by D. Here look ahead is C by D. Okay, so you have got this. So if you look at this particular path, you will find that look ahead is dollar. Here 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 it is C by D, C by D, C by D, C by D. Okay, so this what you have got. Clear representation of when to call for reduce, right? So if you look at this particular path now, you will find that uh, just take just for discussion purpose, let us take a path, say I0, I5. Okay, so what is I0, I2, I5? I0 with capital C, this is with again capital C. What is outcome here is CC dot. Okay, but CC dot with what? With followed by dollar. But if you look at, if you look at the same case in case of like the same case uh, in case of this, you'll find that okay, this is C, then this is capital C, then capital C next is going to be here. If it is a small c, right? If it is CC, right? And then I can go with the D. So means like if I have 3-4 substitution with the like like if I go with I0 with I3, I3 with I9, I9 with I4. Okay, so this is with the small c. This is with again with the small c. This is again with the small c, and like this is one c, second c, and then we can go for D. Okay, so as we have expected, it is coming in the same way, right? So this is how you can go with the canonical. ELR parsing. Same, the parsing table is going to be same now here.